This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Velina Crook less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 02027862. Live your best life here. Enjoy all that the foothills have to offer in this updated 2-bedroom 1-bath home. This home has a spacious open floor plan and is warm and inviting. Outside you can enjoy a usable 1.66 acres with mature fruit trees, garden, chicken coop, and room for all your 4-legged family members. Whether it is your dogs, horse or goats, they will have room to roam on this peaceful property. Make this home your base camp and you will have plenty of room to park all your toys. There is RV parking with room to spare for your boat and other toys. There is also a carport and garage to house everything else you need to enjoy the great outdoors. All of this plus, you will be in the desirable Soulsbyville School District. Copy and paste the following link for a virtual tour, https://my.matterport.com/show/?m=kkh6b-rax7gl and m.l.s=1 For more information, review the details below or contact Velina Crook less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 02027862 at 209-532-6993.